Good morning, another project on How To Heaven. This is my new 2020 Ford Ranger FX2 Lariat, and today I am going to install the TECUM Amazon running boards. Running boards. That's coming, but they're not TECUM. So I'm going to be installing the mud flaps. That was the part number, and these came in the other day. These are supposed to be either made in the same factory or very, very close to the original mud flaps, the OEMs. And so I'm going to be installing these. Here's the hardware. Kind of fancy. And here we go. So I would prefer not to drill any holes, and from what I've seen, there's only one hole that you can drill, and it's an option. I've seen some other YouTubers that decided not to drill that hole. And there's a factory bolt that goes in there. There's a clip here. And up here is where there's a hole drilled. I think I might end up just using, you can see there's a clip, and then the other clip, which is, I think, right here. So that's on the agenda for today. So here's where it's going to go, and you can see that it's molded to the contour of the vehicle. Very, very nice fit, beautiful fit. And down here is the one, it's a Torx bolt. And then I don't know if that upper hole actually, maybe it matches with, nope, it doesn't. I was kind of hoping that it would match with that. I don't know if you can see it, but there is right here a push-on connector. So what you do is you can drill right through your existing fender flares, and it's plastic. It doesn't actually go into the body metal. So that's I believe an option right there. I'm going to skip that. I just don't know if there's body metal there or not, but I don't feel like putting a hole in my new truck. So these are pretty simple installations for these mud flaps. I chose not to drill the 1/4-inch hole here and put the little clip. There's a clip here, and then if you go down below, there's a clip right there. And then there's this screw. This is the factory screw, and it's long enough to go in. They look great. They fit perfectly. The fronts were a little bit more difficult. They have another clip hole right there, but they didn't provide that. I suppose they want you to do the drill method, so there's 3 holes to drill here. I'm not going to do that. If anything, maybe I'll buy some more clips. So it's kind of short, 2 clips if you just want to use clips, so you'll need one in the center. There is a, just like on the other side, on the back, there is the factory screw right here, and it's a T25 Torx. And the only issues that I had were when inserting these clips, the fit between this inner fender well and the fender itself is really, really tight. So I'll show you what I did on the, or I'll show you what I'm doing on the driver's side. So I have this tool, have no idea what it is. It says Brinkmann on it. And what I do is, after I mount the mud flap on like this, you mount it with the screw, you'll see exactly where you want to put the clips. Now I chose to put the clip down at the bottom because I think it needs more reinforcement there because of the mud buildup, and then one at the top. This is the one that I didn't put in. Now, because it's such a tight fit, what I did was I took this tool in here and I kind of separated the inner fender from, I'm just going to find the location, the inner fender from the outer fender. So right here, and just kind of break it free a little bit. Mine was really tight on the driver's or passenger side. And other than that, I mean, these clips really hold. It looks great. And I don't think I'm going to be drilling. I just don't like the idea of drilling in my brand new Ford Ranger. So there's what it looks like. And I think it's a huge improvement in the looks. And it's also one of those easy mods. Very easy. This is like a glass of water on my scale of how difficult it is. All right. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching my How to Heaven YouTube channel. And there'll be more mods and more cars and more projects DIY style. Thanks again. Please subscribe. And there's a bell. And if you ring that bell when I post a new video, you'll get notification of that so you can watch that. Thanks. Have a great day.